stand as a people with one song, with one voice. We're a nation undivided.
Country people, now welcome to another segment of the Ogbonge program we call The Observer. And I mean the Observate for you, and I mean the Educate, and I mean the Informate, and I mean the Young Gabi Observer 2 of this program MC BTLS don't bring to your way. So as it be today now, we talk about politics, at least waiting they affect each and every one of us for this country. You know, be say, you know, they go do politics, not me say, you know, they affect you, it affect you. If they sell market, it affect you. If at the entertain, it affect me. Anybody at all, it affect, because now waiting that they talk, now it affects our standard of living. So today now, we don't see waiting they happen for this country about PDP and APC. I think that the biggest party be that. Now, see what's in the ground. People for APC say Atiku na corrupt individual. Atiku corrupt person. Atiku don't thief money. Atiku don't do this. Atiku don't do that. Say, you know, people enter US ban them, this and that, this and that. But the question when they say me and fellow Nigerians, they ask the same. But this same Atiku in the APC few years ago, and in one of the person when say, una screen, una give more or less, una allow and buy form to campaign or to contest for presidential election. Under the platform of APC, I think the primary election, he was one of the candidates for the presidential election in APC before 2015. In one of the, because Buhari tell us, say, you know, get money to buy presidential form, and Atiku now one of the people who say sponsor a campaign and buy more form for them. So now, how come of a sudden Atiku don't become corrupt person because they don't enter PDP? We won't know. We won't know how these people they think. See, as they be like this way, as Nigerians, even me if I put man, say we don't tire for old politicians. As people they talk. Let's say Buhari don't hold, he don't they think well, so they need new person now. Atiku don't join PDP now. Other people when say they PDP when say Buhari don't hold, they don't support Atiku. And Atiku now small Buhari take senior arm. So waiting they stop. Now waiting with that. So we don't go talk too much as they be, as they hot, now so they be. So we go just try run, enter one corner, maybe we see how they be, then we'll come back, we'll call yarn them all. So not go anywhere.
Red eye. Bros, if you no love, I what you get. It's Victor Eddie, na na na, yeah. Pray for grace, my G. I say pray for grace. Oluwa ma gbagbe mi, I want all this money. Don't want to take the same step where I take last year, we don't work for me. Oh, Lord, as I dey grind, I dey hustle, bless me with this money. But on your hand that day, I say make you run out for me. Oh. If we don't make money, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't buy the best, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't get control, wait till we get. Wait till we get. If we don't make money, wait till we get. Wait till we get.
Welcome back from the small break when we go. I hope so now enjoy waiting we bring on our way. So as CDB, we still there on the politics matter. As corruption did this country, so politics if they affect us and it be like that. So for the candidates when say day, Buhari day, Atiku day, Fela Droza day, Kingsley Moghalu day, Donald Duke and Sorowale of what is it called? What is it called? This their TV, Sahara Reporter, all of them day. So maybe not just they kill ourselves over these people who want photo, The most important thing first is you need to get your PVC. Now be your right, now be your voice. So as it be, so on this same program, we still the employer and say, Mona still send us on our view. I will now observe it for area. So waiting you go send us give when we will talk about, we day here, we know they run, we they talk about them. So on our platform on social media, you feel send us your message on Facebook, on BTLS Entertainment and News, on Instagram, BTLS Blog, on Twitter, BTLS Blog. And for email, if you want to send us any message, we are available. Send to btlsentertainment@gmail.com. And I'll still be your host, Young Gabi. For Instagram, Young Gabi, please follow me, not bad. As we talk, so before we come out, that leg, when we see you take the Waka Kurukere, the observating eye, it is see you. That is the observer.